Hi, I'm Tim Gibson, and I'm going to talk to you about how to measure for floor tile. Now, one thing I like to do when I'm getting ready to work with a room is draw a diagram about it. So what we'll do is just draw a rough outline of the room, and it doesn't have to be accurate, it just has to reflect the shape of the room. So as you can see, I've got the outline of the room where the tile is. So now what I'll do is I'll just take each one of these measurements here. And then to make it easier, we can divide these up into different shapes. So then I've got one large rectangle here, I've got two smaller rectangles, and then I've got this bay window shape, which is a trapezoid shape. And what I can do is I measure all these length and width and can write those in. It'll be very easy to figure the square footage. So we just want to take our tape measure. Now for the bay window, what we're going to do, we'll just look at this one because this is a special circumstance. This bay window, since it's a trapezoid, what we want to do is we want to measure the largest part of the opening here. And it's roughly 10 feet. And then we'll measure the narrow part of the opening, which is 6 feet. And then we want to measure the depth, which is 3 feet. So once we have those dimensions, we put that on here on our diagram here. And how you figure the dimensions of a bay window is you add the two bases, which would be 16 feet, and you divide that by 2, which gives you 8 feet, and then you multiply that by the height, 3 feet. So we get 24 square feet. So again, you take the length of the long side, add it to the length of the short side, divide that by 2, and then measure and then multiply it by the depth, and that will give you your total area of the bay window. Then everything else is just multiplying length and width. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to measure for tile.